everyone, my name is Robin. I have been playing economic games from a long time and I know how to win them. Today, this is my first game video. I'm little bit worried, but I know I will win and I will succeed. So this is the site Focus Bet. This is really good site. There are a lot of games in this site. So today the game I'm going to show you and I will teach you how to make profit is Crash. In this site, this is the place where you can deposit your money, withdraw money and check your history of the deposits, and these are the various payment methods. The games you can play in these sites are Mines, Crash, Dice, Double, Tower and Jackpots, and there are many multiple games like slots in which you can invest and win money. So the game I'm going to show you is Crash. Look, in this game this is a rocket. It will go till a certain X or coefficient and it will burst. So you have to put your money and you have to withdraw before the rocket burst or fall down. So look, this time we are going to put 100 at auto stop of 1.2 and we have to wait for the next round. This is the whole process. You will see. Look, we made money, and the good thing about this site is whatever amount you will win, it will be automatically updated in your account sheets. Now I'm going to put 100 again at auto stop of 1.2 and we have to wait. So this is the place where you can see all the players who are playing this game right now, and there are many multiple schemes in which in the light section you can see. Now I'm going to put 500 at auto stop of 1.2. Let's hope the rocket will go this high. Great. Even awesome. Now the game is going very risky, but we will still try. This time 500 at auto stop of 1.2. Look. Awesome. We made money. Next round I'm going to put. You have to wait. Let's see how this rocket will go high and it will burst. This game is really easy and fun game it is. You can enjoy and earn profit at the same time. Just you have to make sure you have to put a certain amount. You have to put a auto stop and you have to withdraw before the rocket falls. Great. 28x. I'm going to put 100 at auto stop of 1.2. Let's see. Great. Look, we made our money. The rocket falls. 100 again at auto stop of 1.2. Great. We have to wait. Look, we made our money again. This is the whole process. Now 500 at auto stop of 1.5. Let's see. Great. Going. Look, we made our money. So this is the whole process of how you can play this game Crash and how to make money. So I hope you all got the idea how to make your money and how to make profit in this game. Please everyone follow me on my Telegram page where you can see where I will give you teach you how to play more games. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.